Unraveling, Transitory Stopover, a guide to temporary halts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might have come across: transitory stopover. This phrase is not just about travel. It's a beautiful example of how English can capture the essence of fleeting moments and temporary pauses. Stay with us as we unpack its meaning and usage, making it an easy addition to your English vocabulary. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down the phrase into two parts: transitory and stopover. Transitory refers to something that is not permanent or lasting only a short time. It comes from the Latin word transitorius, meaning passing over or going by. In English, it's used to describe situations, conditions, or periods that are temporary. Stopover is a term often used in travel to describe a brief stay in a place when on a journey to somewhere else. It implies a pause in a journey long enough to rest, but not long enough to establish roots. When combined, transitory stopover beautifully describes a situation or period that is both brief and temporary. A fleeting pause in the journey of life, work, or even an actual journey from one place to another. To fully grasp the usage of transitory stopover, let's look at some examples. The city was just a transitory stopover on his way to finding a place he could truly call home. Her job in the small town felt like a transitory stopover. She knew something more permanent was waiting for her on the horizon. The layover in Paris was more than a mere delay. It was a transitory stopover that allowed them to briefly immerse in a culture they longed to explore more. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe physical journeys, career paths, or even personal growth phases. Understanding phrases like transitory stopover enriches your vocabulary and enables you to express complex ideas succinctly. It's a testament to the power of language to capture the nuances of our experiences. For English language learners, mastering such phrases can enhance descriptive abilities, allowing you to convey intricate thoughts and emotions, improve comprehension of literature and everyday English, where such phrases are common, encourage a deeper appreciation for the English language's ability to describe life's transient nature. We hope this exploration of the phrase, transitory stopover, has illuminated its meaning and significance for you. English is a rich tapestry of words and phrases that capture the essence of our experiences, and transitory stopover is a perfect example of this. Whether you're journeying through places, phases of life, or the landscape of the English language, remember that every transitory stopover is an opportunity for growth and learning. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.